Welcome to my channel, Living Consciously with Rachel. Today we're going to focus on another do-it-yourself natural cleaning product for your house, a scrub. Have a look at why I'm going to be making a scrub. This stuff here, it's dark, it's gross, it's awful, it doesn't look good. This is what the scrub's going to fix. Yeah, mold, grout, dirt, dark spots. It doesn't look nice. And the worst thing is when you want to clean this, you feel like you have to use a really heavy, powerful, strong cleaner to make it clean again. What comes with really heavy, strong cleaners? Smell, toxic fumes and other nasties that you just don't want to be breathing in. Today I'm going to show you how to make a natural scrub. Once I've made it, I'm then going to use it and I'm going to show you how it works so that you too can believe that natural products will work perfectly for you, your family and your home. I do want to say one thing for those who are a bit skeptical about, oh, you have to use bleach and strong chemicals for your home. What do you do with your chemicals when you're not using them? You put them somewhere away from children, away from your family, away from where you won't inhale them. Why do you think it's okay if you just use those chemicals and scrub them all over your floor and your products and everywhere that you touch? And why not create something natural that's easy to make to use around your home? Why are we still using disgusting, chemical laden, smelly products all through our house so that we think it's clean? We don't have to. How are we going to get all these tough stains out? A baking soda scrub. You know we've already touched on how great baking soda is. Now let's make a scrub out of it. So why a baking soda scrub? It's natural, cost effective, doesn't make you ill. So what do you need? Baking soda, our friend Castile soap, some essential oils. Today I've gone peppermint with eucalyptus. Thought I'd mix it up. A jar and my little stirry stick. Guys, it's a chopstick. What is my baking soda scrub going to replace? It's going to replace this bad boy that was underneath my kitchen cupboard. This is going to replace that and be better. Let's get making. We're going to have our funnel. Didn't mention that before. Straight inside. Then we're going to put some baking soda in straight away. How much baking soda? Depends on the size of your jug. So let's chuck this in. Straight in, straight in, straight in. Look, could I have put this in without a funnel? Yeah, totally could have, but trust me, I'm messy. It would have gone everywhere. So let's just start with that amount first. Okay, so again, another reason why you need your sticky thing, your chopstick, is you've got to create a hole for that to get in. Seriously, this is not easy. Done. I've made it about a third of the way of the jar. That's all I'm going to do for now to just get started. But the next thing I'm going to add in is a little bit of Castile soap. This time just one big squish. Okay, cool, so you can see there's a little bit there. A little bit of essential oil. I went eucalyptus this time. I'm going to add in some peppermint. Yum. How many drops of essential oil? I don't know, like 5, 6. Whatever takes your fancy. However strong you want it to be, really. Lastly, a little bit of water. Less is more. Let's put some in and see what the consistency's like. I'd say I put in about 1.5 tablespoons there. So I'm just gonna have a look and see what this is like. Obviously, if you put too much in, it's gonna get too watery, so you're gonna have to put more baking soda in and vice versa. I'm gonna give this a bit of a stir, and a huge part of me thinks that maybe I've put too much water in. I have a feeling, this is what it's like. That's okay. I have a feeling it might be too runny for a scrub now. Maybe, yeah. It's fine. It's definitely good. I think I need a little bit more grit, so I'm gonna add some more baking soda. Again, you're gonna have to get your stick in here. I've put some extra in. Now I'm gonna give that another stir. Okay, this is looking much better to me. Much, much better. You can see that's not so runny, it comes out like this. And that's definitely a much better consistency for making a scrub. Consistency is quite good. I don't know if you can really see it, but basically it feels like very fine sand. It's great. Maybe have a look there. I'm happy with that. It smells great. Actually, it smells like a lolly. But I'm happy with that consistency. I'm gonna go use this now on that gross grout that I showed you at the beginning. But first, before we go there, what can we use this on? Say tiles, enamel on your bathtub, the steel around your kitchen sink. All these things are totally fine. I definitely would avoid putting something as abrasive as this on some wood, marble, granite, all those things that I've said before. I would definitely avoid anything that won't go well with the abrasiveness of the scrub. You're probably looking at this going, oh, this is a bit small. This is definitely enough for a good couple of weeks. You don't need to have a full jar. This dries out very, very quickly. So I really recommend that you only do a small amount. You saw how quickly that was to make. It really takes no time at all. And if you make a mess like I have, who cares? You're just gonna scrub that off. Just keep small amounts and just do it every couple of weeks because it does dry quickly. If you're in a very humid climate like myself, I actually put it in the fridge. All right, there's some really grossness in there. You know what? For me, just tip it straight in. There we go. Alrighty, let's get that right in. Here's another reason for your stick, right? Let's have a look. Just get that right in there and across. Get yourself your trusty sponge. Let's get in there. I've just gotten really mad here and I'm just going straight for the scourer because I can't. So that was like a lot of hard work. I'm going to show you guys the end results. Okay, so you can see that it is not perfectly sparkling white and clean in the small area that I did do, but I'm definitely very happy with the results. Something I need to take into consideration is that this house, before I bought it, I mean, this was like dirty and black before. Okay, so that was quite intense, quite tough. Like I showed you, it wasn't perfect in cleaning everything. It's not white on white that I'd kind of hoped for, because I've used it before and it has gone quite white. It's not the white that I had expected, but that's okay. No one had lived in this house for about 5 years, so I don't think there's any amount of elbow grease or bleach that would make that go white on white. I think it's just going to be a gradual treat that I'm going to have to do to slowly get it out, but I'm happy with the small results that I do have. I'm going to keep trying. Far better than using a bleach cleaner on it, which I actually don't think would make a difference, but it's nice to see it's cleaner. I'm happy. And that, my friends, is how I make your own do-it-yourself natural scrub. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be pumping out 3 new recipes of do-it-yourself cleaning products for every single week in October. And then November is going to be all about composting. If you want to get more conscious in living with simple, quick, easy ways, hit that subscribe button. Yes, I've said it twice, but please subscribe, and I'll share more with you every week.